Who's heard of this word here? Prosody. Who's heard of that word? Prosody. Everyone say prosody. That's that ability to read with proper expression, intonation, inflection. Thumbs up. Okay, let's think about these ones right here. Let's start with this one right here, thinking about how to build fluency and thinking about developing this idea of prosody, that ability to read with proper pitch, intonation, inflection. Everyone take a moment now. Let's just do this one right now. Read this one over. Give me a thumbs up when you read it. Okay. We have a first grade teacher. Take a moment. Teacher modeling. So the teacher's doing this. So I think that makes sense. We'll go back to this one right here. Fluency is being developed. It's being developed at a first grade, second grade level, and then we're hoping that the third grade level, the student's doing it independently. But at the early stages, the teacher is doing a lot of modeling. Okay, they're modeling these inflection changes as they do a read aloud from a big book. And this is an activity involving choral reading. Okay, give me a thumbs up if everyone's read the question. And if you're still reading, give me that R. Give me that R for still reading. All right, a first grade teacher models pauses and inflection changes as he points to the punctuation when reading aloud from a big book. He then leads students in a choral reading of the text of the book. The strategy is most likely to help students who have difficulty with which of the following reading skills. What grade is it? What grade are we dealing with here real quick? We're dealing with first grade. So we know this is a beginner reader, and we know that the teacher is trying to foster the idea. Whatever it is, they're definitely trying to foster it. Ease. I'm sorry, let me clear. Okay. Is it something where in this choral reading, these keywords of choral reading and inflection here, choral reading and a read aloud and changes inflections, is this something involving alliteration? Is the teacher emphasizing alliteration aspects like ninny nanny netticoat in a white petticoat? No, it's not that. Is this inferences? Are they doing inferences during the read aloud? No, that would be comprehension, right? So I'll write down here, this is a comprehension thing. This is a phonics thing, or better yet, a sound activity. How about this one right here? Monitoring their own comprehension, another comprehension, that's self-monitoring. Okay, so D and B are comprehension. A is sound. What's the answer? What's the answer to this? The answer is C. What are the giveaway words? What are the giveaway words that get you to C? What are the words in C that help you connect? Yeah, so we definitely have read aloud and we have choral reading. Let's just highlight those. When you see those two, read aloud, choral reading, you should automatically be thinking of some aspect of fluency and inflection. Inflection, read aloud, choral reading, and that helps students with the proper expression, pronunciation, and expression of words. Who sees that right away? So that's what you're looking for, okay? You got this first grade student. They're doing an activity where the teacher's modeling reading and they're focusing on proper inflection of words. And they're doing choral reading. It's really all pointing to reading fluency. And we know reading fluency is the ability to read with speed, accuracy, and expression. Thumbs up. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHAcademy. This spring, GOHAcademy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.